Hello everybody, my name is Tanu Verma of class 8 standard and today is our topic on parliament. Basically we know that parliament is the group of the represented politicians and the president. They are making the law for their country, for their bright future. And if we talk about that who is the head of the parliament, so prime minister is the leader of the parliament. They take care of the parliament in many ways where the president making the laws, implementations and yes, they provided the portfolios among the ministers on the basis of the recommendation of the Prime Minister. So, this is the odd definition of the Parliament. Parliament is basically have two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. If we talk about Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament. This is Rajya Sabha, also known as the Council of State. And if we talk about the member of the Rajya Sabha, so basically 250 members in Rajya Sabha, where 238 members are directly, we can say that representing the state and the union territories, where 12 are nominated by the president. And these 12 are coming from the background of art, literature, sports also. And this is our Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is known as the House of People. Why? Because Lok Sabha consists a policy that is universal adult franchise. That means the people having the age of 18 means completing the age of 18 years or having the more than the age of 18 years have the right to select their own representative through votes. And if we talk about the total number of the Lok Sabha, so 552. These are divided in three categories. That is 530. They are directly elected by the elections, where 20 members are representing the union territories, and 2 members are our Anglo-Indians. These are nominated by the president because they are the old Britishers who living in our country. So this is all about the structure of parliament. Thanks for watching my video.